Ajit Bodo is an eminent Bodo writer and scholar. He was born on 26th January 1973 in Sanajuli village, district Biswanath, Assam. He holds master's degree in education and an MPhil, PhD, and also DLED. He knows Assamese, English, and Hindi besides Bodo. Currently, he is the principal at Gosaigaon B.Ed College, Assam. Began writing since the year 2001 and has 12 published books to his credit. Some of his important works include Gurudev Kalicharan Brahma, Gyan Vidan, Mej Gandhi, Gotosa Bisombi, and Gajam Bisombini Wadan Sojogari, among others. Since 2002, he has also been continuously editing numerous magazines in various editorial capacities. He has been associated with several literary bodies and associations. Gotosa Bisombi is a collection of 33 essays written focusing purely on children's psychology, aims to motivate them to become good citizens, maintain good health, acquire knowledge, respect elders, love plants, and refrain from delinquent behavior.
It is one of the greatest day in my life. Finally, I have received Bal Sahitya Puraskar 2020. One of the most beautiful, most important and the greatest day in my life. This award is my honor. This award is my identity. Much awaited moment, one of the greatest moment in my life. Today finally I have received Bal Sahitya Puraskar 2020 at Bhubaneswar, awarded for my children literature, Gotosa Bisombi. Gotosa means child and Bisombi means souvenir. I was waiting for a long time and finally I am very much happy. No word to express my happiness. One of the most beautiful, one of the most significant day and the greatest day in my life. I am very much happy. This award is my honor, my respect, my identity. It has definitely raised the motivation level. It has definitely raised the energy level of my mind. I thank God for giving me hand. With the help of hand, I can pray God, I can do good things, I can eat. I thank God for giving me legs. With the help of my legs, I can stand on my own feet and I can approach, I can go ahead. I thank God for giving me eyes. With the help of my eyes, I can see the beauty of the world. I thank God for giving me ears. With the help of ears, I can hear, I can listen, suggestions and advice. So thank you God for everything. On this auspicious occasion, I thank my father, my mother. I thank Jageshwar Brahma Baba, my religious guru. I thank Gurudev Kalicharan Brahma. I thank APJ Abdul Kalam. I thank Malala Yousafzai, who are the ideal in my life, who are the role model in my life. I have learned a lot, good things, many important lessons, many important lifestyle from Gurudev Kalicharan Brahma, APJ Abdul Kalam and Malala Yousafzai. So on this auspicious occasion here from Bhubaneswar, I would like to request all the students to go ahead and not to destroy their life, because life is very beautiful. We have to live the life with happiness. Life is the precious gift of the God. So, my dear student friends, my dear children, go ahead, do good things, talk to your parents, talk to your teachers, talk to your elderly people, and always dream and always try to realize your dream. You have every power to do good things. You have every power to go ahead. You can become successful in your life. On this auspicious occasion, I also thank Sahitya Academy for conferring this prestigious award, Bal Sahitya Puraskar 2020. And I am thankful to my wife Bhavani Boro and Shan Gyan Raja Boro and daughter Gracie Boro, who are always with me and who always give me inspiration, love and affection. I thank all the writers, all the people of Kokrajhar district who give me recognition, who give me approval, and who provide me a platform for doing good things. So today I have no word to express my happiness. This is one of the greatest day in my life.